All right, everyone, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. So today, a little bit different. Worked outside on a temporary service for these two trailers right here for some kind of job site. So I had to drive out here to this job site, which was about an hour away from my house. But anyways, this doesn't look like much, just mounting this pole in the ground and then adding a couple sticks, 2x4s to support it, and then a couple ground rods. Someone else is going to come back and finish these ground rods. This one is pretty much stuck right here, halfway in. That one, I'm just going to let them finish it. That one wasn't too bad, but if they're going to come out with something maybe like an automatic ground pounder, then I'll let them finish the second one too. But anyways, there's like a whole bunch of rock and stuff in this hole right here that we dug. We got about down 33 inches, required for 36, but they said that was good enough. And yeah, and then got the temporary SO cord for one of the trailers hooked up. The other one was too short, so we just pulled that out. And they'll bring another cord maybe tomorrow. Well, they'll bring another cord tomorrow, but I'm not coming back out here to finish this. I don't think someone else is going to come back out here and finish this. And then there's going to be a third SO cord coming in here, like a little pigtail for a third trailer eventually. So anyways, yeah, the ground was really hard down here. There's a whole bunch of rocks, concrete, asphalt, and stuff in this hole that we randomly picked. But just keeping it 3 foot away from the transformer. Then we'll have to come back and dig down eventually and pipe it into the transformer, and then pull the wire and then add the ground wire into the panel from the two ground rods. Other than that, pretty much took up the whole day, so glad that we could get a full day out here. And I'll show you where this goes over here real quick before I walk away. Pretty simple video, straightforward, but just not quite the easiest day. The apprentice that I was working with, he pretty much did most of the digging, so that was cool, but I did help him out as well. We actually I took the drill into the dirt with like a rotohammer bit on it and just started drilling the dirt because it was so hard, and that actually helped out quite a bit. But anyways, here is where it goes in. Just goes up through a little PVC pipe into the panel inside, and the panel inside this wall right here to power up the air conditioner, some plugs, some lights and stuff like that. Just basic stuff for people to work off of for a job site. But anyways, that's pretty much going to wrap it up. I've actually been to this town once or twice, but not much. This is in Stevenson, Washington. So anyways, that is what we did for the day, and just made a material list for the rest of the stuff needed for the job site to be complete, and then someone else can finish it, assuming that I don't come back here. So anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. I'd love to see you guys back in the next video, and it would help out the channel, and I'd appreciate it. God bless, have an awesome rest of your day, and check the description down below for anything else, and hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload or do live streams. Thanks guys so much. God bless, have an awesome rest of your day. Peace.